Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download PlayStation app for PS5 remote play step by step clearly. To begin, unlock your smartphone or tablet. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone or iPad. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type PlayStation app, press the search button. Locate the official PlayStation app from Sony Interactive Entertainment. Tap on the app to open its page. Check the app's compatibility with your device. If your device is compatible, press the Install or Get button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap the Open button to launch the app. You will see the app's welcome screen. If you already have a PlayStation account, select Sign In. Enter your PlayStation Network email and password. If you don't have an account, choose the Create New Account option. Follow the prompts to set up your new PlayStation account. After signing in, navigate to the Remote Play section in the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to enable remote play on your PS5. Ensure your PS5 is turned on and connected to the internet. From your mobile device, select your PS5 from the list of available consoles. The app will now connect to your PS5. Once connected, you can begin using Remote Play. Explore the app features to enhance your gaming experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.